I'm going to show you how to create an ESG attestation on the clearESG or Affixi app. There are many things your company can attest to that show that your customers and public all the good things your company does and the care you take in creating your product, whatever that product may be. You can attest to contributing to a charity by uploading a receipt. You can let people know you are a woman-owned business by uploading a link to a LinkedIn profile. Your proof can be a photo or a file. Just remember that everything you attest to must be truthful because once it is up on the blockchain, it cannot be taken down. For this video, I will be attesting to a lab report, which many of our clients upload to show their customers their products' purity, chemical makeup, potency, etc. So I'm on the Affixi app. If you're on clearESG, you're just going to see these bottom three tiles: environment, social, and governance. So I will upload a lab report. So that is under the ESG social. So I'll click that tile. It is under the safety tile. And here I can select evidence. So either I can select a file that I have saved to my phone, I can open my camera and take a picture, or I can choose from my photo library if I already have a picture of the documentation. I have the lab report right in front of me, so I'm going to open my camera. And just take a picture. Looks good. If the accreditation, this is a lab report, so I'm going to select clinically tested. You can see all the other options there. If there's an expiry date, you can add it here, but if there's no expiry date, that's fine. You can leave it blank. This is everybody's names in here, but I will just do our sample one. And then to notarize, we make sure we have all the information is correct, and then we can tap the notarization button and we'll use my face to attest to. And there you go, it's done. So if I want to double check that that went up to the blockchain, then the middle bottom there, it says notarizations. I'll go there, and there it is right there, 1034. That's all the technical info, just to check it out. And we are done. And that's all there is to it, easy as that. If you have any questions though, please contact us at info@gcac.tech and we'll be happy to help you. And thank you again for downloading the Affixi app or the clearESG app.